Hi there, I'm Stephanie Haney, and welcome to my channel, Stephanie Haney Talks. If you're looking to learn how to make money online, you've come to the right place. On this channel, we cover everything you need to know to start and grow a successful online business. At Stephanie Haney Talks, we believe that the internet provides endless opportunities for those who are willing to learn and take action. That's why we created this channel, to help you discover the strategies and tactics that have worked for us and for other successful online entrepreneurs. On this channel, I share everything I know about how to make money online, from e-commerce and affiliate marketing to blogging and freelancing. You'll learn how to build a profitable online business step by step, no matter what your skill set or experience level is. And I'm not just talking theory. I've helped countless students achieve their dreams of financial freedom through my coaching and courses. From stay-at-home parents to college students to retirees, my methods work for anyone willing to put in the effort. So if you're ready to take control of your life and start building a better future for yourself, hit the subscribe button and join our community of like-minded people who are making their online dreams come true. I'm Stephanie Haney, and I'm here to help you every step of the way.